33. Evaluate the following logarithmic expression without the use of calculator. I'll be dang. It's 1/6 to some power gives me 36. You can sit there forever and do it right. But what is 1/6? Can you get rid of the 1/6 thing here? It's the same thing as a negative power. So 36 is 6 squared. So x is -2.
So do you add those two?
What do you mean, multiplying? X equals -2. Negative x equals 2. And remember, you can check your work. You're not supposed to do it, but you can check it. Log 36 divided by log 1/6 is -2. But if it says without the calculator, you got to show your work. 34. Could you rewrite 81 as a power as base 3 with a base of 3 to some power? What could you rewrite 81 as? To the 4th? Okay, so that means that the 3's would basically cancel, and you can set this equal to 4. Four to the 4th power equals x. And I don't know, what is 4 to the 4? 256 or something like that? 250, 256. If I want to punch these things all together, it says to condense it down. The 5 becomes a power. The -9 becomes a power. And what I wind up with is ln 10 plus ln x to the 5th plus ln y to the 9th. And if we're adding them, we're multiplying everything. So it would be natural log of 10 x to the 5th y to the -9th. But what happens with negative exponents? They drop down. So you got ln of just that one dude. On 36, you're going to use your change of base formula. Log 575 divided by log 11. And it works with ln's as well. You just punch it in the calculator, log 575, just like I did this one. .65. And this dude is exactly like this one, just in reverse. Number 37 is exactly like 35 in reverse. So 4 ln plus 8 ln x minus 3 ln y. Powers would come out to the front. If it's on the bottom, you subtract. If it's multiplied together, you add. I skipped a whole bunch of steps here, but I'm trying to hurry up and get through all this. But if you can do this forward, you can do it backwards, right? You should wind up with that right there. I'm going to split apart the 4 and the x to the 8th with a plus. The power comes to the front. Since this is on the bottom, we subtract. And you pull the 3 out to the front. You want to go ahead and do the rest of them, or you don't want to have any specific questions besides 38, 39, 40, and 41? What would you do on 38 here? Who was that? Yeah, do an ln on both sides because it kills off the e. So you get x minus 7. Ah, crepes. Piece of paper. Bless you. And then this right here comes down to the front. The property of natural logs so that can come to the front. This is all one number. This is just like saying 3x. This whole thing. This is a number, and you're timesing it by this. This is just like saying 3x. If it was x minus 7 equaled 3x, what would you do? You'd move the x over, wouldn't you? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to subtract this over and move the 7. I'm going to smooth that over. I guess this is ridiculous to do it this way. And I'm going to move the 7 to the other side. X is on one side, numbers on the other. Now I'm going to factor out an x. So I don't have any more x's mixed up with this. And now this right here is just a number. It's being multiplied by x. So if you're doing that, you can divide it out. That's what your x value is.